So my name is Mike Bruckman, and I work for Townstorage on Riverside Road. So here at Townstorage, we have used a product called AIM that has worked out really well for us. We use it in quite a few different situations. The main thing is we use cylinder locks here, and sometimes the tumblers will get a little gummy, and we've used AIM to help keep the tumblers smooth and operating really well, and it seems to have worked really good for that. We've also used it on our latches. Sometimes they'll get a little tight, and we'll put a little bit of AIM product on the latches. We also have inside our units roller points that the doors go up and down on. They have bearings on the inside, and sometimes those bearings can get a little stiff. We put a little AIM product on that, and it really does well with that. Another thing that we found works really good is with our dollies. We use them for the axles and the bearings around that too. The one thing that I've seen that has really kind of been a surprise to me is I do a lot of cycling, and I've used it on my road bike. The derailleurs have pivot points on the derailleurs themselves, and I'll take a drop of AIM and put it on each of the pivot points, and also on the pulleys on the rear derailleur. And it works awesome for that. The other two functions that I've noticed with it is also for the cables that run through the derailleurs, both for the derailleurs and the brakes. I put a little drop on inside the cable. It runs really smooth, doesn't attract very much dirt. It's minimal on dirt attraction. And then the other thing is just also on my chain. I found that my chain runs smoother than some of the other product that is out there, even specifically those for cycling, and I've been really happy with its use. Where it's such a dusty climate and with wind and rain, the outside of the doors will get all muddy and sometimes get kind of dingy. And so what we do is we kind of clean the door, and we take the AIM product and wipe the doors down with it. And so it kind of gives it a little bit of shine, and then it also makes it easier for wipe down and clean off. Those are the things that we use it with, the things that I've come across that the product works really great for, and really surprised at how well it lubricates and cleans.